What's the meaning of Al Capone? Al Capone. Al Capone. Al Capone. Al Capone. Al Capone.
Al Capone refers to Alphonse Gabriel Capone, a notorious American gangster who rose to power during the Prohibition era in Chicago. He was involved in various illegal activities such as bootlegging, gambling, and prostitution. Capone became one of the most infamous criminals in history, with his name becoming synonymous with organized crime and violence. Despite being convicted of tax evasion and serving time in prison, his legacy has lived on in popular culture through movies and TV shows, with Capone remaining a symbol of the dark side of the American dream.